In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a personal therapist, guiding you through a simple, effective way to explore your feelings and work on personal growth from the comfort of your own space. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT. To get started, navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, log in using your free account to access the platform. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're logged in, initiate a new chat to start your session. This effortless setup is your gateway to a multitude of possibilities for self-discovery and mental wellness. Now, it's time to set the stage for your therapy session. In this instance, you'll be asking ChatGPT to act as your personal therapist. You might say something like, "You are my personal therapist." It's essential to communicate how you would like the interaction to unfold. You can request that ChatGPT listens to your thoughts with empathy, prompts you with reflective questions, and provides gentle advice. Emphasizing a supportive and understanding tone is crucial to establishing a comforting atmosphere that feels reassuring and sincere. With your therapist mode enabled, the next step is to share what you're feeling. Don't be afraid to express yourself openly, as honesty is key to the process. For example, you might confide, "I've been feeling unmotivated lately. I want to understand why and find small steps to get back on track. Can you guide me?" The goal here is to articulate your thoughts and feelings clearly to give ChatGPT a foundation to work with, enabling it to respond with tailored guidance and insights that resonate with your current emotional state. As the conversation progresses, ask ChatGPT for coping strategies and exercises tailored to your needs. For instance, you could request, "Give me 5 simple coping techniques for handling anxiety during stressful situations. Explain each one in short, practical steps I can try today." By seeking out specific, actionable advice, you'll receive tangible exercises that can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. These strategies will empower you to manage stress more effectively and sustainably. Finally, incorporating a practice of daily reflection can significantly enhance your self-awareness and emotional growth. You might ask ChatGPT, "Ask me 3 daily reflection questions every evening to help me process my emotions and improve my mental health." Keep them simple but thought-provoking. This exercise encourages consistent self-reflection, allowing you to glean valuable insights over time, fostering an environment of continuous personal development. Incorporating these steps into your routine can create a valuable and supportive resource in ChatGPT, helping you navigate the complexities of your emotions and encouraging a proactive approach to mental wellness. By taking advantage of AI in such a thoughtful way, you're embracing a modern tool for personal growth right at your fingertips.